Now we will create one more folder in src. Create right click on src, create new folder, UI. Okay, create new file in UI folder, which is error.csx. Okay, I will write simple code for error.csx. It is handle all the errors. If we face issues, the error show in alert. Okay, now create one more file in UI folder, which is footer.jsx. It is for our website footer section. I will write a simple code for footer section: home, about, shop, contact, and also link Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Okay, now create one more file for in UI, which is navbar.jsx. Okay, enter it. I will write a simple code for this. For navbar, a navbar is located at the top of the website. Okay, now we will create one more file, which is css of navbar, navbar.module.css. I will write a simple css for this. You must add this css here. Okay, create one more file, which is navbar links.jsx. Okay, I will write simple code for this also. It is for, if I will click home page, I will go to the home page. If I click log out button, I will successfully log out. If I click login button, I am successfully login. Okay, it is, if I click register button, I will go to the register buttons. Okay, this page work like this. I will create one more file, which is page not found page.jsx. We will create this page because if the error in any page, we simply return page is not found, go to back. Okay, now we will create placeholder file, .jsx. I will write simple code for this. Okay, we will create one more file here, placeholder container.jsx. Write a simple code for this container. Okay, it is not correct. This placeholder container. Okay, it is our product and we show all the products in this page. Okay, now we will create protect routes. .jsx. Okay, I will write simple code for this. this routes. This protect routes work like if user is not have access token, they cannot log in. If the user has access token, they can log in it. If the user is authenticate, they can access token and they can go to the website. If the token is expired, they can simply message we log in and okay. Now we will create spinner .jsx and a simple code for this. It is like work like loading page. Okay, now our UI is complete. Our home is completed. Our UI is completed. Now we will create a product page. Create one more folder in SRC. Create product folder. In product folder, we create 3 files. First is product page .jsx. Okay, I will write simple code for this page. It is a page of products. Then I will show all products in this page. Product page, product description, product price. Okay, now we will create one more file, which is product placeholder .jsx. I will write a simple code for this. Okay, I will create one more file, which is related products .jsx. I will write simple code for this related product page. It show if I choose toys, then the product category is toy, then I will see in related product. Okay, if there is no related product, we will show this message. Okay, now product page is completed. Now let's create user pages. Create new folder, user. In this user folder, create file, login page .css. I will write simple CSS for this page. Okay, border, background color, and so more. I will create one new file, which is login page .csx. I will write simple code for this page. It is a login page. If the user is not logged in, they log in, and then okay, we have options. If you forget your password, you can reset. If you don't have not account, you can simply register and create your account. Okay, now create order history page. Order history item .jsx. Write a simple code for this. It is a page for we save all order history of one particular user's product date, order ID, product quantity, and product price. Also product image, product name. Okay, now we will create simple CSS for this page. Order history item dot model dot css. Module.css. I will write a simple code for this. Okay, create one more file, which is order history item container dot .jsx. Write a simple code for this page. This is a container. We save all the product history here. Okay, now login page is created and order history is created. Let's create register. You can see this all files is not showing good. We will create one folder, component folder, next folder, and move these files in component folder. This folder also move it. UI also move in this. Also UI folder move on the component folder, and user also, and user file also. Okay, you can see. Yes, you can see now home, product, UI, and user in component folders. Okay, in user we will create one more file, which is register page dot css. I will write some small css for this page. Okay, then we create register page dot .csx. I will write a simple code for this page. It work if the user have not login ID or password. They can register and then log in it. Okay, we will create one more file, which is user info dot module dot css. Okay, I will write a simple css for this page. Okay, let's create user info page dot .csx. Okay, I will write a code, simple code here. We will create one more file. This is user profile page dot .jsx. In this page, we will show all the data of the user. We will create a simple code for this page. Okay, now user folder is completed. Now we will create cart page. Right click on component folder, create new folder, cart. Okay, in this cart folder we will create file cart item dot .jsx. I will write a simple code for this page. It is a cart page. You can see there is a function delete item. If the user if not want item they add to cart, they can simply delete this. Or if the user want to update the product quantity, they can update it and return all these things. Okay, now we will create new file cart page dot .csx. I will write a simple code for this page. You can see it's a cart page. I will create one new file cart summary dot .csx. I will write a simple code for this page. In this page, we will show cart summary, sub total, total text, total amount of the product, and proceed to checkout. Okay, cart page is done. Now we will create one more folder in component file folder. Simply right click on components, new folder, which is checkout. Checkout folder. In this checkout folder, we will create files. Check out page .jsx. I will write very simple code for this checkout page. Here are order summary and payment section folders are we will create it. Order summary .jsx. Okay, I will write a simple code for this page. Here are product summary. In this page, we can see product image, product name, product quantity, and product price. Okay. I will rename this file. It is order item. Okay. Now we will create order summary page. .csx. I will write simple code for this. You can see this is order summary page, cart summary. It is a summary of what we will add to buy into our carts. Show in this page. Okay. Now we will create new file for order summary page css. module.css. I will write short and simple css for this page. Okay. Now I will create one more section, which is payment section. .jsx. I will write simple code for this payment section page. In this payment section page, we will see two different mode of payment. One is pay with PayPal and pay with FetterWave. Okay. Now we will create CSS for this payment section page. Payment section module.css. Okay, I will write simple CSS for this page. Okay, now checkout page is page is done. Now we create payment folder in components folder. Right click and create new folder, which is payment. In this payment folder, we will create one file, which is payment status. .jsx. I will write simple code for this payment status. We will see if the payment is successful. We will see view all details or continue with shopping. Okay. We will create context of this project. Right click on src, create new folder, context. Okay. In this context, create new file, auth context. I will write simple code for this auth context. Okay, it is auth provider, handler auth. I will explain you. what its work if the user login, the token, the x6 token is get, and we connect to the e-commerce website. And if the user is not get access token, they cannot go to connect to the e-commerce website. If the token is expired, they remove it and show error. We log in, and if the user have not username or login username or password, they can simply register and get username and password. Okay, now we will create hooks. Right click on src, create new folder, hooks. In hooks, create new file, use cart data.jsx. I will write simple code for this page. We will create function, create use states, set cart code, set cart item, and cart total. Okay, in this page we will save all cart data. Okay, now I will simply create last folder, create folder which is layout. In this layout folder we will create one file, main layout dot jsx. Okay, in this page I will write simple code. First import all the things, and then in this main page we will create all outlet and then footer and nav bar. Okay, now all the folder is created successfully. We will create app.jsx. Now I will write a simple code of this app.jsx. Paste here. In this we will create routers, auth provider, browser router, and this create routers. First is main layout, home page and product, cart, checkout, and then login, profile, and payment status, and also register routers. Okay, now we will create simple I'm not using this line. Comment this. No, it is import error. We will import it. Components. Okay, it's correctly imported. Now simply right click on src, create api.js. Sorry, it's not a folder, it's a file. Simply create new file, api.js. Okay, this api.js is connect our backend to the frontend. If the user can create thief product, if the user can add thief product to the backend, they can show in the frontend. If the user add the product to the frontend, they show in the backend. Okay, this API code is basically connect backend to the frontend. Okay, you can see this is a backend URL. We currently running the server on this URL. Okay, everything is done. Simply open a terminal and we will run the our frontend page. Okay, open it. Now you can see our e-commerce website is successfully done. Now you can see our backend here. I will add some products on backend. You can see this products will show into front page of this, and we create some users and users. We can log in with this users here. If you have not login ID or password, you can simply register it. Okay, shop now. Click one product. You can see product name, price, description, add to cart. Okay, go to checkout, add to cart button. If I want to 5 notebooks, I will update this. Okay, the payment also updated. Proceed to checkout. I have not logged in. I will log in with one ID. Simply log in. If you have not username and password, you can simply register it. Okay, I am successfully logged in here. You can want to pay with PayPal and pay with Fetterway. Okay, simply I will log out here. Thank you for watching.